So, good morning. Today we'll discuss about the biochemical characterization of the transforming principle. Biochemical characterization of transforming principle. As you know, Griffith experimentally justified that the smooth stain bacteria heat killed when mixed with the rough stain bacteria living. Then rough stain bacteria receives some substance materials and get transformed into smooth stain virulent bacteria. And the material which transform the rough stain into smooth stain was the DNA, RNA or protein. This was experimentally justified by the three different scientists, biologists, the Oswald Avery, Colin McLeod, and McLean McCarthy. In 1933 to 44. In 1933 to 34, Oswald Avery, Colin McLeod and McLean McCarthy, they experimentally demonstrated that the transforming material is DNA. How they demonstrated? As they took the one smooth stain bacteria, heat killed smooth stain bacteria. They took smooth stain bacteria, heat killed smooth bacteria, stain bacteria that is virulent, and from this bacteria they extracted what? Extracted protein, then RNA and DNA. From the heat killed smooth stain bacteria, Streptococcus pneumoniae, they extracted protein, RNA and DNA. After that, they took this into all these component into one together, and here it contained protein, RNA, DNA, and here they added one enzyme, that is protease. When they added protease enzyme, the protein get digested. When they added protease enzyme, suppose here protein, RNA and DNA is present. That protein, RNA, DNA is derived from this heat killed smooth stain bacteria. And here, after adding protease, they added rough stain bacteria. Suppose this is the rough stain bacteria. Rough stain bacteria were added here. This is the rough stain. Rough stain bacteria. Bacteria life. This bacteria life. This was added here in this solution. This bacteria get transformed into smooth stain. This bacteria get transformed into smooth stain. Get transformed into smooth stain. This is rough was non-virulent. Rough was non-virulent, but smooth stain becomes virulent. It get transformed. Why it get transformed? Because when it was kept into medium where the protein, RNA, DNA of the heat-killed smooth stain bacteria was there, when this rough stain was kept in this medium, then this received the genetic material of this extract and get converted into rough. From rough to smooth stain, it get converted into smooth stain, means becomes virulent. In other experiment, he took the RNase enzyme. In other experiment, he took this protein, DNA, RNA, and here he took RNase, and here he took RNase and protease enzyme. Here he added RNase and protease enzyme. RNase enzyme is added, protease enzyme is added, protein, RNA and DNA are this present, and again he put this non-virulent, means rough bacteria, this rough bacteria, and this rough bacteria get transferred into smooth stain. Get transferred into smooth stain. So this is rough, and this is smooth. It means RNase enzyme, protease enzyme when added here, these two enzyme. So RNase enzyme digest RNA and protease enzyme digest protein. Even then something is present here which could change rough stain into smooth stain. Rough stain into smooth stain. In third experiment, suppose here he took this protein, RNA and DNA, protein, RNA, DNA of this heat-killed bacteria, and here he added DNase enzyme. He added here DNase enzyme. When added DNase enzyme, then DNA get digested. This DNA get digested. Protein and RNAs remain present here, but DNA get digested. And when he kept in this medium, he kept this rough stain bacteria, this rough stain bacteria, it is unable to convert into smooth stain. It remains rough stain. It multiply but remain rough stain. Rough stain. Why it remains rough stain? Because DNA enzyme digests the DNA. The DNA of this heat-killed bacteria is very stable. DNA of this heat-killed bacteria is very stable. Even at that temperature is remain stable. It do not undergo digestion. When this protein, RNA, DNA was taken and here protease enzyme is added, even then the DNA was present there, and this DNA which was present here, this DNA enters into rough stain bacteria and convert it into smooth stain. In another experiment here, the protein, RNA and DNA was taken, and here RNA enzyme, protease enzyme, it digests the RNA and protein, but DNA is remain present of this smooth stain bacteria, so it converts rough stain into smooth stain. But here, when DNA enzyme is taken, then the DNA of this bacteria get digested. DNA is digested. Why? Due to presence of DNA enzyme. So here DNA get digested, and if DNA get digested, then in this solution, this rough stain bacteria unable to convert into smooth stain. It remains rough stain. Means it is not going to transform into smooth stain. Protein is present here, RNA is present here, only DNA undergo digestion. Then this rough stain is unable to convert into smooth stain. It remains rough stain. But in this condition, DNA is present, protein is digested, it get converted into smooth stain. Here protein and RNA and protein both digested, then it get converted into smooth stain. But here DNA get digested due to presence of DNase enzyme. And here DNase enzyme was kept, then this DNA get digested of this heat-killed bacteria. So this rough stain unable to get converted into smooth. It remains rough stain. It multiply but remain rough stain. It means who is transforming this rough stain non-virulent bacteria into smooth virulent bacteria? The DNA of this smooth stain bacteria. This DNA of smooth stain bacteria is able to transform the rough stain into smooth stain. This was the biochemical characterization which was performed by experimentally proved by Oswald Avery, Colin McLeod and Michael McCarthy. They justify that yes, the transforming substance like DNA, when received by the rough stain bacteria, it gets converted into smooth stain. It becomes virulent. So DNA is a genetic material. They conclude that DNA is a genetic material. Thank you very much.